My name is Junaid, working as a business development director from iPlast. Welcome to Movement Matters. A new product from iPlast, a collapsible container. This product is predominantly applicable for automotive industries and industries which use very heavy equipments. For reverse logistic, the advantage is you send it in an open format, but when it returns, it is in a collapsible format. So reverse logistic easier, leading to a better sustainable solution. We have those on all the sites so that retrieving the goods as well as putting the goods inside, it's convenient. It is smooth from all the ends. We are one of the leading manufacturers of returnable packaging, focusing towards sustainable solutions. We have different type of plastic pallets, boxes, crates, and innovative solutions for various industries, such as automotives, pharmaceutical industry, agriculture and industry, and other associated industry. We focus on bespoke solutions for certain applications wherein the requirements are very difficult to meet with. We take up the challenge and we provide solutions to those industries as well.